In the last video, we have converted this Cauchy's linear differential equation, the example based on Cauchy's. First, we have converted into some standard form. Okay, standard form is x cube into y triple dash. So here the given differential equation is not in Cauchy's. So we have multiply both sides by x square. It will become a Cauchy. Then we have substituted and we have got a differential equation with constant coefficients. Directly we are solving this one by using complementary sum of complementary function and particular integral method. So what is the auxiliary equation, student? Auxiliary equation, that is m into m minus 1 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So here m is equal to 0, it's already in factors. M minus 1 is equal to 0, m minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so roots are m is equal to 0, 1 and 1. Now let us find out particular solution, or before that we have to write a complementary function. What is the complementary function, student? YC based on the roots. So one is distinct, other two are equal roots. For that, C1 e raised to 0 into t plus C2 plus C3 t into e raised to 1 into t. For distinct root I have written separately. For equal roots, C2 plus C3 t into e raised to 1 into t. Next, what is YP, student? YP is, you know that the standard form is, the Cauchy's differential equation is of the form. You know that is d into d minus 1 into d minus 1 into y is equal to e raised to t. So what is YP? That is e raised to t divided by d into d minus 1, or we can write d minus 1 whole square, or still you can write it as, this can be also written as d into d minus 1 whole square into y is equal to e raised to t. So d into, you can expand by using a minus b whole square formula, d minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to e raised to t. You can multiply, so this is d square, you can multiply d, this will become d cube minus 2d square plus d into y is equal to e raised to t. You can write this form. So this is e raised to t divided by d cube minus 2d square plus d. Okay, that is the value of yp. Okay, student, this is exponential divided by function of d. It's a type 1 example. So how to solve type 1 example, students? Type 1 example is solved by replacing this denominator d by the coefficient of t, which is 1. So replace d by a is equal to 1, t coefficient is 1. So yp is equal to e raised to t divided by, this is 1 cube is 1 minus 2, 1 square is 1 plus 1. Look at 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is, denominator is 0. If denominator is 0, what we are doing is, in the last video we have got the answer. In case of denominator is equal to 0, we are going to multiply numerator by independent variable and differentiate the denominator with respect to d. D cube is 3d square minus 2d square, differentiation is 4d plus d differentiation is 1. If denominator is 0, what we will do is we are multiplying numerator by t and differentiate the denominator with respect to d, students. So next, once again it's a type 1 example, just check it. Once again it's a type 1 example. Just you don't compare, it's a multiplication of t, just you think only this term. Okay, so again it's a type 1. So what we will do is replace d by a is again 1. Okay, it will become t into e raised to t divided by 3 into d value is 1. 1 square is just 3. Here this is just 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1. Again the denominator is 0 because 3 plus 1 minus 4, 0. So what we will do is yp is equal to, so once again we have to multiply numerator by t and differentiate denominator. So already there is a t, by t into t is t square into e raised to t divided by, differentiate the denominator, 3d square is 6d minus 4d is just 4, 1 is 0. Again it's a type 1, don't multiply this e raised to t. E raised to t is separately because it is got by denominator is equal to 0. So again it's a type 1, replace or substitute, replace d by a, again a is equal to 1. This is t square into e raised to t divided by 6 into 1, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. T square into e raised to t divided by 2 is the value of yp, student. Finally, general solution is, what is the general solution? It is the sum of, finally general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. You know yc already, that is c1 e raised to 0 into t plus c2 plus c3x into e raised to t plus t square into e raised to t divided by 2 is y. So we need to convert in terms of t, student. So that's what y is equal to, you can substitute, you know already the substitution, that is t is equal to log x to the base e or e raised to t is equal to x. So this is just c1 plus c2 plus c3, t can be substituted as log x to the base e into e raised to t is x plus t square is log x to the base e whole square into e raised to t is x divided by 2 is the general solution, student. Thank you so much. In the next video we will come with new example on Cauchy's linear differential equation. Thank you.